All right, in this next section, we're going to continue going through the interface, but we're going to talk about content, like getting clips in here. Remember, a clip is any kind of audio or MIDI file. So when we talk about content and the interface and the things that you really need to know, a lot of it is talking about the browser, which is over here, which we haven't really looked at yet. And then we're also going to talk about some basic live ins and outs, like recording. We have a whole huge other section on recording coming up in later parts. So we're not going to go into a ton of detail about recording, but I do want to talk a little bit about recording and also our preferences and our settings and what they ought to be at to make the most of Ableton Live. So with that, let's dive in and let's start right away with the preferences window, which is something you can't see. It's not one that lives on the screen. And let's just walk through what our preferences should look like if we're set up correctly.